Hey there, and welcome to another video. In this simple video, I'll show you guys how to create an actual ebook simply using ChatGPT. So, have you ever wondered if you could actually use ChatGPT to write an entire ebook for you? Well, let's find out in this video. Our prompt to ChatGPT for this one is to ask it to make us an ebook vacation planner. As you can see, it's currently generating us all the chapters for our travel planner ebook. Just let ChatGPT do its magic, and once it's done, I'll show you guys how to turn this response into an ebook. So I'm going to ask you guys to download the AIPRM Google Chrome extension. So this allows us to connect OpenAI to AIPRM accounts. And as you can see though, AIPRM is currently unavailable for now, but I'll show you guys the steps to sign in with this user interface. So simply sign into your Google account this way, follow the steps of your email verification, and just follow the steps as shown here to link your account to the AIPRM ChatGPT extension. If you followed these steps, you should be able to go back to your OpenAI site and then have the option to connect AIPRM to ChatGPT. So go back to your verification process, continue these steps as shown here, and if you log into your Google Mail, you should see that you can click the button that says Start Working for ChatGPT. Another way you could work around this though is to actually just use Microsoft Edge. By using Microsoft Edge and installing the AIPRM extension there, you should be able to connect it easy peasy, no problem. Now, just remember, by using AIPRM, we can convert certain text responses from ChatGPT into super useful ebooks and PDF files. Since there are quite a number of issues regarding AIPRM and ChatGPT, let's try making our ebook in a different manner. I recommend using Canva to create your templates for your ebook. Simply go to canva.com, go ahead and make a new design, and as you can see here, we can search for an ebook template to choose from. These templates come with multiple pages that we can use and edit. If you wish to see other templates for designs for ebooks, you can also go to visme.com to look for even more ebook templates. As you can see, visme.com has an exhausting list of so many different templates to use and preview. And that's really all there is to asking ChatGPT to make an actual ebook for us. If you have any other questions, responses, or criticisms about this video, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.